If you are looking for a note-taking platform, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to have a look at two Google products that are now being put head-to-head. Yeah, we're having a look at Google Keep. We're also having a look at Google Docs, and we're going to figure out which one is best suited for your specific needs and your use case. So let's do it. All right, so looking at Google Keep now, Google Keep stands out as a versatile note-taking solution with very impressive functionality that integrates seamlessly across the Google ecosystem. It's a very lightweight design which prioritizes speed and accessibility while offering powerful organizational tools. Some of the features include the quick capture. So this allows you to create notes in multiple formats, including plain text, checklists, images, and voice recordings, which is perfect for capturing ideas on the go in whatever format you need to do it in. You can also work seamlessly with Google Drive for storage, Gmail for saving emails as notes, and Google Calendar for synchronizing your reminders. It also has a visual organization system. So it has color code notes for visual categorization and the ability to add labels to create a customized organizational system that fits within your workflow. It also features smart reminders, so you can actually set location-based alerts that trigger when arriving at specific places, or even schedule time-based reminders for future tasks. Google Keep usability and accessibility includes their streamlined interface, which emphasizes speed and simplicity, as I mentioned before, making it an exceptional platform that is accessible across all major systems. The thoughtful design enables frictionless note capturing, and this is regardless of the device that you're using. It is also consistent with its experience across Android, iOS, and web platforms with real-time synchronization, and it has a one-tap note creation on Android devices through the home screen widget, which allows you the quick access. It also has collaborative features which allow sharing notes with family members, colleagues, friends, or whoever you would like. And it has multiple input methods, including typing, voice memos, a doodle tool, which is great for sketching your ideas if you're one of those visual thinkers. Okay, so if you haven't heard about Google Docs, you must be living under a rock, right? Google Docs have been around forever and it's amazing. So it's revolutionizing how teams can work together by enabling multiple users to edit a single document simultaneously. These changes appear instantly for all participants, eliminating version control issues and enabling seamless teamwork across different locations, time zones, and whatever else is separating you. It has instant visibility, so you can see edits from team members in real time with color-coded cursors showing who's working on the document, where they're working, and it creates a truly collaborative digital workspace. You can leave comments, suggestions, and emoji reactions that are tied to specific text portions, enabling more precise, actionable feedback directly within your document content. It also, of course, has granular permissions, so you can control who can view, comment on, or even edit the document with customizable sharing settings for individuals, groups, or even organizations, maintaining security while enabling your collaboration in your team. It has a bunch of innovative features. It has some building blocks and some AI tools. So Google Docs has evolved beyond just the basic word processing with intelligent building blocks and AI-powered tools that streamline document creation as well as management. These features transform how you, as an individual as well as an organization, organize information and create content. So let's have a look at the first one on the list, meeting notes. So you can insert meeting templates that automatically connect to Google Calendar events, populate them with attendees lists, and also offer structured formats for agenda items and action assignments. Email drafts. You can compose professionally formatted emails directly in Docs with tables and interactive drop-downs, and then you can send it via Gmail integration without actually switching the application. You can also, third on the list, they're interactive checklists. Create and manage tasks with clickable checkboxes that track progress directly within your document. This is perfect for project management as well as personal task tracking. All right, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is a fantastic roundup, a good head-to-head comparison. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. If you have any feedback, you can leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.